This is just a quick video on what the price monitor does for Dsmtool. So I just listed the 3 items here, and you can just see there's like a day's worth of information here. And what these are is your source area. So where did you list it from? There's obviously the item, the source ID, the price that you're actually going to pay from, for me, AliExpress, where it was listed to, again, your target item ID in eBay, and then this is the price that it's listed at in eBay, the number of items that are listed, the inventory, and then your profit. Finally, it is the actual number of views that you're going to get. And when you see things that are like not being viewed a whole lot, those you want to stop from being relisted and get like a new item in there. And then finally, I guess, is the number of watchers. So I don't have any watchers at this point. You can scroll over and you can see the number of items sold, the selling ratio, the published date, etc. So 6-7 days ago. So if I want to get rid of one, like this one's not getting many views, I'm going to just dump it. I guess you can weigh that whether or not you want to get, like this one has a lot more profit. But I'm just going to show you, just delete it, and then you have the options what you want to do with it. You can read through those, and it's basically what you want to do and how you want to go about doing it. For me, and most of the time, you're probably going to read or select the remove from the monitor and end the listing. So I'm going to do that, and then you can see it's been marked and removed and will be deleted soon. So that's how you take care of information in your price monitor. So one of the beautiful features of DSM is that it can auto order. And what I would suggest, if you want to do auto order, you go to your dashboard and you just scroll down and you come to here to the auto order. So I haven't subscribed to anything yet, but I'll show you how you can do that. You go to the auto orders and you'll see the number of auto orders you have left over here. So I haven't done a subscription yet, and that's your choice. So to start off, I would suggest, just start with something low. If you're just going to go into it hardcore, then get a higher amount of auto orders and it'll order it for you. So let's just do get credit, and we're just going to show you how to get through that. And then I'll pause it when it comes to my personal information. But you're going to choose a credit or debit card or PayPal. And if you didn't sign up for PayPal yet, just go to my videos on how to sign up for PayPal. But PayPal, I feel like, is a very secure way. I'm going to click on PayPal, but I'm going to pause the video. So my PayPal is connected to a variety of payment methods, but I like to use my PayPal balance. I'm going to click continue, and it sends me back to DSM. And then you can just go look here, and I'm going to scroll down to the auto orders, and you can see now I have 30 credits for auto orders. So when something sells, DSM is going to automatically order that through the store that I actually listed from. So it takes out the work out of my hands for a very small nominal fee. So that is how you set up Dsmtool to auto order for you.